Today I want to show you how we can use multiple lists in CueTimer, and this is a new feature in version 3.3 that we just released. Here you can see the new Multitimer window, which can display different lists from CueTimer. And the way this works is that you add a list by pushing this plus button here. After you have created and edited the lists, then you push on the list that you want to work with. So whenever you push on a tab, then all these controls here will react to these specific lists. So now we can start a new countdown here and change the time, etc. So yeah, just gonna bring it back very rare now. And here's the Q&A. And we also have like a clock that's useful, and this last one is maybe you want to see how much time is left for a whole event until you can go home. You can change the order in which these lists are displayed just by dragging and dropping. So as you see now, we bring it to the third position, and it is reflected here in the Multitimer. And you can hide the list that you don't want to see from the Multitimer. So we push this hide button here, and it's hidden here. Now that we bring the second one out, you get this nice layout where there's just two lists covering the screen. And I want to talk a little bit about this specific layout here, because this is one of the reasons that we made the multi-view. So what customers wanted us to make is something for the situation where you have a speaker that speaks for maybe 1 hour, but during the speech there are some group sessions where, let's say, the audience wants to discuss a topic for 5 or 10 minutes, and then it's nice to have a countdown just for this audience timer at the same time as you can see how much time you have left of the whole session. So that's how we can bring in the Q&A, and if you are done with the Q&A, then you can of course hide it so that only the speaker timer fills the whole window. And I would probably start the event like this if there's no group session in a while, and whenever you need to bring in the group session, you unhide it and you work with the list here like this. Right now we are looking at the Multitimer preview window, which is a small widget window that lives on top of the screen. We also have the full screen that's nice to give to somebody talking on the stage. And the NDI Multitimer here will create an NDI source with exact the same graphic as you are seeing here. So now if you open Studio Monitor, yeah, we can see here that this is the NDI multi-view output from CueTimer. Okay, so here's another example of how we can use multiple lists in CueTimer. Let's say you have a large conference where you have 3 breakout rooms, and you want to have a monitor on the stage for each room that shows their specific countdown. So what we can do then in CueTimer is to create this countdown window and send it in 2 different ways, either as NDI or as a web source. So let's show you how it's done with NDI first. Then first we select the list we want to work with, and we push this NDI button. Then we go to the next list and we push NDI for all of them. Now when you open Studio Monitor, we'll have 3 different NDI sources, 1 for each room. So this can be great if you have everything connected in the same LAN network, the whole building, and then you can buy this, I think it's Shiloh View NDI to HDMI converters, so it's really easy to display the countdown on different monitors using NDI. But of course, a lot of times you won't have everything connected in one large LAN network, and then it's better to use internet. And you can now send 1 web source for each list. So we've done that already here. Here are 3 different breakout rooms, like this. And this can be displayed on, for example, an iPad, or if you have a computer that you're not using, And it's quite easy also just to display the web page. And also if you don't have a cable from front of house to the stage, it's usually much easier just to put on an iPad on the stage than finding all the SDI cable. So this is how you can really get a lot of power in controlling different lists from just one CueTimer machine. And in the next video, we're going to show how you can enhance your control even further with Companion and Stream Deck. And this is especially useful if you want to control multiple lists at the same time, because you can get one companion page for each list you want to control. I hope this is useful. Take care and see you again soon.